What's up, y'all? Went down to the old freight harbor this morning and got me a transmission jack. Figured I was gonna do the transmission on this truck and every other truck I got, so might as well do it the easy way and save my back a little bit or my arms a little bit and let the jack hold it up. So this thing was about $100 at a discount this morning. Got to put it together to do what I got to do, so might as well record it. Here we go. The reviews are really good on it. And it wasn't $300. So it says some assembly required. Don't look like much. Looks like you just got to put the wheels on. Yeah, not too bad. It's got a crank action instead of a hydraulic action. And it's not like I do this professionally, so this will suit my needs just fine. Got a strap, 4 swivel casters, it's supposed to do 450 pounds. That's what it says, so we'll find out today if it'll do a 4L60. It's got a hex nut, fits inside of the bottom of the jack right here, so it doesn't spin. Lock washer and nut. Three-quarter inch. I call it the Freight Harbor because I'm not sponsored by them. So, y'all know what I'm talking about. To catch a sponsor, I'll say it the right way. It's pretty much, pay me to say your name the correct way. Until then, it's the Freight Harbor. Or the Zone Auto. Or Reelies. Always put your lock washer to the nut. If you put it on the bolt side, it doesn't do any good. Learn that working at a little hardware store. Alright, 4 wheels tightened down. Torque to 75 foot-pounds. Shit, that looks like it'll work. And to make it go up, you twist here. So I just put my impact on it and brrr. Hey look, I got an impact. Turn it down a little bit. So it goes up pretty easy. That's high enough. Or for me. One last thing is you got to put on your strap. Get your little loop here. Because there's no pipe or spacer to stop you from squeezing the metal in. So it's got a nylock, just put it into where the threads kind of just stick out through the nylon, they won't want to come off. The other side's got a loop in it also. So this is better than I thought. I thought you'd had to put the scissor piece together and everything else to make it work correctly, but pretty much just put the wheels on it and go. It's not too bad. 2 different sizes. 1/2 inch nut, 9/16 bolt. Nice and white so you can see how dirty it gets. Like that. That's assembled. Pretty easy. This would go on top of the transmission. Feed it through your strap. Nice heavy duty strap. The end's been burnt so it doesn't fray. So pretty simple, actually. About to put it to the test and see how it does. Yeah, it's pretty good. I operated a couple times just to make sure it works good for you don't kill yourself. And let's take a transmission at it.